Yo guys, welcome. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's good. Welcome back to another stream. Let me just put my camera on really quickly. There we go. Welcome. How's everyone doing? Welcome back. Yo guys, welcome. How's everyone doing? Well, I think he's good. That was on my computer. But anyway, let me just get some music on for everybody, and then we can get the analysis started. One sec. Oh yeah, let me. Stream's healthy, all good. Okay, let's see who's here, guys. Who's here? Drop a comment if you've just joined. Yeah, who's here, guys? Welcome. I'll start breaking gold down in a sec. I'll start breaking gold down in a minute. Let me delete these levels for now. Let me do a clean chart, fresh chart for everybody. Yo, Rav here. How's it going, Rav, mate? Oh, one sec. Let me just post it in the free Telegram so everyone knows that I'm actually trading live now. One sec, guys. One sec. Right, good. Okay, we're all set. Sorry about that, guys. Right, yeah. News today. Wow. Yeah, news today. We've got some USD news. We've got some USD news in exactly 1 hour. Well, 55 minutes. And then we've got more. We've got ISM 2 hours after that. So yeah, we have got a bit of news coming. You all right, Matt? Yeah, you are right, bro. We have got a bit of news coming here, guys. Yeah, guys, if you've just joined, let's drop a like. Let's smash 10 likes. Let's get that. Let's smash 10 likes instantly, okay? I've got my tea ready to go. We'll start breaking gold down now. We've got 20 people in already. Insane. Good stuff, guys. Yeah, if you've just joined, guys, we've got 20 here. Drop a comment. Let's see who's here. We've got Matt, Wes, Elevate, Indy, Rav, should I say? But yeah, guys, smash the like. Drop a comment. Let's see who's here, and let's try and catch this W. Let's try and catch this W on stream today, okay? I'll start breaking down. Arij, how's it going, mate? Welcome. Okay, let's break this down, guys. What I'm seeing on gold is I'm actually charting on the 15 right now because we have actually seen a pullback from all-time high. If you look at gold here, you can see that it hasn't really, other than this pullback here, let me show you. Other than this pullback here, yeah, like 100 ticks, I haven't really had a significant pullback in a range that's formed. You know, you had a little one here, but this was like in Asia, and I wasn't trading Asia. That was probably the cleanest move in Asia if anybody did take it. You had the pullback, you had that impulse or confirmation entry there. Look at that, bang, into them highs. You've got like 20 ticks there, which is clean. But for me right now, looking at the gold market, you haven't really had much entry potential today at all. But now we're actually seeing a decent range formed. And what I'm going to be looking for is, I'm going to be looking for this liquidity to get taken if we do start closing bullish again, you know. Look at gold on all time frames, guys. I think anybody, even day one traders, can tell you that gold is bullish, and you should really be happy with looking to you should be really more on the buying side today. However, you know, we're open to both sides, but yeah, for me, I'd be buying back above this level here at 28.70. Look, you can see recent price action, resistance, support, acting as resistance. So for me, this is the level that I'm going to be looking for buys. And if we do get back above this level, you know, you've got a decent 70 ticks. Yeah, sorry guys, you've got a decent 70 ticks into them highs, okay? That is the first sort of level that I'm going to be looking to break. I'm not going to be trading long until we can either get back above there or create more structure to long into, okay? In terms of sells, like I say, we are very bullish on gold. So you want to be using the most high probability levels, highest probability levels for sells. And for me, it'll be sells back below here, okay? I wouldn't be looking to sell anywhere until you get back below 28.65, okay, guys? That would be the play for me on sells. But I am very interested in these longs. If gold can get back above this prior support, acting now as resistance, look. Acting as resistance here, prior support. I'm very interested in longs above here, okay? But like I say, we have got news. That could be a decent catalyst for us to get involved in some longs. We just have, like I say, we've got an hour. We've got an hour until news, so we've got 40 minutes here of looking for some entries, which is nice. So we'll start looking for them entries. And if we do get back above here, then yeah, perfect. Back down below 28.65. Back down below 28.65. I'm going to be looking for these liquidity laws to get taken here. Look, you got some laws here, got some laws here. I'm going to be looking for them to get taken. Okay. But yeah, welcome guys, welcome. Got 17 here. Yeah, guys, let's smash the like button. You know, 17 here. We're on how many likes? We're on 6. If you've not already, guys, smash it. Let's get to 20 this stream again. 5 minutes ranging. You normally do get a range pre-US, like so. You normally do get this range pre-US. As always, every time we jump on stream, guys, well, I'd say like 50%, 60% of the time, you've got a little range like this forming, and that's just because it's pre-US. London pre-US switchover. Yo, Fab, how's it going, bro? Welcome, mate. Welcome. Welcome. Hourly candle did sweep liquidity closing bullish, so we could actually flip higher still. Looking at the 4 hourly too. 4 hourly took the prior candle and closed bearish. But guys, I'm not really too interested in how like the higher time frame of close, daily or 4 hourly. I'm trading the market on what I'm seeing. You know, yeah, the daily is super bullish, okay? The daily is super bullish, don't get me wrong. And yeah, the trend is your friend. But if gold can pull, even if gold can pull back, say gold is at all-time highs, of course, well, not now currently, but it has been at all-time highs and it's close to all-time highs. Gold could still pull back. And, you know, if gold can pull back into some level like here at 28.60, this structure, why would I sit out? There's like 50 ticks there. Why would I sit out of the market and say no to 50 ticks if it's to the plan and ticks all the boxes? That's not how we trade. We're traders. Let's trade the market, okay? If gold looks like it can pull back into some levels or into some liquidity down here, for example, let's say you've got these laws here that price could run into. If we know that if we close below this level, gold has a very good chance of coming into this liquidity before hitting all-time highs again, I'm not just going to wait for this to happen in front of me. No, we don't wait for this to happen. We'll trade into it and then we'll trade away from it. Hey, I'm late. What's the plan for today? Tuts. I'm going to call you Tuts because it's easier for me to say it. But yeah, Tuts. Back above here, 28.70. I'm going to be looking for buys on gold. Buys, guys. Look at the structure on gold. I do prefer buys more than sells for sure. Definitely do prefer buys more than sells, but I am open to sells if we do start closing bearish. So yeah, buys back above 28.70, sells below 28.65. So we've got like a 50 tick range. 50 tick-ish, yeah, 45 tick range. Yeah, 45 tick range there. But yeah, guys, we'll see what the market gives us. I hope we can get in a little trade today. Like I say, yesterday was a write-off. Yesterday's stream was a write-off, unfortunately. But like I say, I'm not gonna sit here for 2 hours and waste everyone's time. No point. But yeah, how are you? How's your day been, guys? Drop a comment. Anybody taking any trades today? I'm personally only 2 trades for this week. I didn't take any trades yesterday, and I took 2 trades on Monday. I'm still up. I'm up 21 ticks for the week, even though there's been hundreds and hundreds of ticks there. You know, I've been, you know, like I say, gold's been at all-time highs a lot, and I don't trade it when it's all-time highs with no targets. That's just one of the rules that we have. But I've been doing other things as well. I've been doing stuff for the community. I've been creating stuff for YouTube. You know, like I say, I can look at I look at the markets when the markets have clear liquidity targets. When price is up here, everyone, all retail traders, are looking to long here because they think gold's going to just continue higher and get them a bag. No, what's gold always going to do? It's always going to pull back and range. What's it done now? It's pulled back and it's ranged before continuing higher potentially. When gold's up here, like, yeah, how long it's been up, there's been no trading for 2 hours at least, guys. Matt, good stuff, mate. I love it when I see community members not taking or very little. When it's ranging markets are at all-time highs with no liquidity, and I see members in the community saying, "Oh, I've taken one trade today," that's really good for me. I love it because I know most traders before coming to me. Well, I don't know everybody I don't know everybody for certain that they used to take like 5 to 10 trades per day, but you know, 1 to 2 trades is all you need. And if you're taking one trade, you know, if the markets have been ranging all day and you just take one trade, that's perfect. So good. Because I know so many traders will be in and out of the market all day in a ranging market, taking break evens, losses, little wins. It's just a waste of mental capital. And obviously, it is going to definitely waste your trading capital too. But yeah, good stuff, Matt. No trades. Not much is more risky since it's all-time highs. Yeah, of course. Arij, good man. Like, when gold's trading all-time highs here, for example, or here, and people are buying, you're always going to get a pullback. And a lot of the time, if you do start buying at all-time highs, you're going to get taken out on the pullback more than you're going to get that push higher. You know, maybe like 20-30% of the time you'll buy and you'll get that push up. But yeah, let's wait now. We got 30 closed. Didn't really do much. Yeah, I'm not doing anything within this range, guys, at all. I'm not taking half risk today or anything. Not with how gold's been trading at all-time highs. Like, for example, now, if gold gives a really nice half-risk sell, I won't take it. Like, it could be nice, but gold's super bullish. You gotta, with trading, you gotta, like, there's a certain point to, like, risk management. You gotta understand, like, we're bullish. Should I be taking sells half-risk up here? No, I'd rather be looking for buys. Yo, Naz, how's it going, mate? No trades for me today, Naz. Great stuff, bro. That's it, mate. No trades for me too. I was looking here. Let me replay this back here, guys. I was looking for longs. If we close back above, me and the community were looking for longs back above here, this sort of level. You know, prior resistance support, clear liquidity. We've had that pullback. We've taken the liquidity here. Everything lines up. I wanted to close above, and look what happens, guys. Look. Let me get out of this replay bar. Look, you've literally been, and this is why levels on gold are super important. Okay, let's say you don't understand the concept of levels and you don't understand the concepts of liquidity, like the strategy that I teach. Let's say you don't understand it. Let's say, oh, you see this green candle and you start looking for buys and you have your stop loss at, say, let's say 15 ticks. Look at that. Because you haven't waited for the closure, the strong closure above, and you've predicted instead of reacting to what gold's telling you. You've done a lot of predicting here, saying, oh, gold's going to push up here without any actual, you know, volume closure. Look, you've taken a stop loss, or you're in drawdown, or you've been in chop for the last 2 hours almost, you know. That's why levels are super key and super important. Yes, guys, 25 here. Welcome, everybody, welcome. Hope everyone's smashing it this week. But yeah, it's been a bit of a slow week with gold. And it's the same always, guys. Just be careful at all-time highs. For me, one rule that I always go by is, let's say, look, when gold was up here, if I'm not catching the position here or on the pullback here, this is just I'm just letting this go, because gold will always pull back. And it's the same here, look. I'm not trying to catch. When it was at all-time highs here, when it was at these highs here with no liquidity to the left, look, I'm not trying to catch the trade here. For me, I'm just going to let it go, let it do its thing, because what will gold always do? Pull back, continue higher. Bang, the same. Even here, it did a little bit. Look, pull back, continued higher. And even now, what's it done at these highs? I know it's getting messy, sorry about that, guys. Apologise, but look what it's doing now. It's people buying here, getting stopped out on the pullback. What's gold going to do? Pullback, range, continue higher. And then it's going to do the same. I won't be buying here. I'll be buying here. If I'm not buying here, it's a missed trade for me. I'm just leaving it. Let it do its thing. Retail buy at highs. Retail buy high. Buy at highs, should I say. Buy and sell at lows. When you take smaller tick size trades, do you increase your lot size? No, I keep it consistent, Orig. I don't really get too emotional. I keep emotions out of my trading as much as possible. I don't really look at how big. I trade the market, okay, guys. Something that's super important. I trade the market. If I've got a 15 tick first liquidity target and I need to manage 15 ticks, I'll manage at 15 ticks. If my first management point is at 25 ticks, I'll manage at 25 ticks. I'm not changing my lot size on if it's a full risk trade, I'll trade full risk. And if it's a first liquidity target at 15, I'll manage break even, take partials there. I trade the market, not my emotions, because, you know, if, for example, I've got a 15 tick profit target, I'm going to put 3 lots instead of my normal risk because I want to make the same as I would with a bigger target. No, that's the wrong way to trade for sure, guys. That's very, very emotional, and you want to be staying as emotionless as possible, guys. Seriously, keep it the same. Keep your risk as the best you can. Full risk, half risk, if you have that structure. If not, it's going to be all over the place, and you're not going to get like a consistent. You know, you're going to be if you're changing your risk. Dependent on how many ticks your profit target is, you're going to be like this. If you are going to make any progress, you want this as best you can. Obviously, within this, you're going to have little dips because it's not always linear like this, but having correct risk management will definitely help that for sure, as best as it can. You know, you might have 2 full risk setups. One's a 15 tick first target where you're going to be managing risk, and one's 30 tick. You know, you take the same risk on them. They're the same trade, the same risk. You take the same lot size than you would if it was a half risk trade, okay? Makes sense. At least I was doing my risk the same then, lol. Just curious. Yeah, good stuff, Arij. Good question, though. A lot of people overlook risk, and it's one of the most important things. Like, you can have like a strategy with a 40% win rate. If you've got the right risk management, you can still be profitable. Yeah, risk management and risk to reward. Even with a 50-50, guys, you can have a 50-50 win rate, like flip of a coin. With the right risk management, you can be profitable, yeah? But yeah, what's Goldie going to do for us? It's literally just going to continue to range. We'll see. Probably range till news now. We've just jumped on for US session because it were looking good. Nah, all good, guys. All good. We'll see. Yeah, guys, if anyone's got any questions at all, just drop a question in the comments. You can ask away. But yeah, good question, Arij. A lot of people will be thinking about risk management, and not many people will risk correctly. That's why I've got half risk and full risk. You know, if you're looking to get in a trade, for example, you come into the level, you fake out, you come back into it, then yeah, you're half risking. If you fake out of a level, get within it, yeah, you're half risking. But above it, if closure's above you long, it's just about us staying in motion. Like, you need your risk management to keep you as straight as possible. Like, the least amount of emotions that are in the game, the better. You know, as mechanical that, and that's with making it as mechanical as possible. And that's why, obviously, you've got to have a little bit of discretion in your strategy, like I do with levels and you know, different entries for, well, yeah, different levels is the only discretionary thing really, or for example, how recent you want your liquidity grab. But the discretion's there because every trade's different, you know. Not every trade's the same. Not every day the charts are the same, for example, you know. One sec, guys. Let me check the audio. The discretion's there because every trade's different. Not every trade's the same. Not every day the charts are the same, for example, you know. Yeah, all good. Yeah, I thought the thingy were different. I thought the audio came off, but all good. What do you reckon on news? I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. I normally have, like, when gold's got some more structure to play with, I can normally tell you a good sort of bias for the a good sort of direction for the news, because the news moves on liquidity anyway most of the time. You've probably been through this, Lord. Yeah, I have. Yeah, I've been trading gold all-time highs. I've been through it all the time. It's just a waiting game. A lot of people blow their accounts as well. A lot of people blow their accounts at all-time highs because they just try buying thinking that it's going to continue higher, and it just doesn't. It'll always pull back at all-time highs. Yeah, you might get a little push higher, but you're not going to be satisfied with it, and then it just reverses. Also, mate, what profit do I need per day on Top Step for a 50k account? You actually don't have a daily target, Rav. There's no daily target on Top Step. So you can make negative 200, and then you can have, but the maximum you can make on a day is 1.5k. Yeah, the max you can make on a day is 1.5k on the 3k profit target. That's the only limit of how much you can make. There's not a per day thing you need. A per day profit target you need, sorry. Every week would be different with profit as long as you have profit. Yeah, exactly as well. Like another thing that a lot of traders don't seem to understand, or a lot of new traders don't seem to understand, is that every week's different too. Like you need to be happy with what the markets give you. Like even me, for example, this week, guys, I've taken 21 ticks. Okay, look at the week. Okay, yeah, I've been profitable for 3 years, and I understand this, and that's why I'm profitable for so long. Because look, even though gold has pushed 670 ticks, most of it's been in Asia, and most of it, look, most of it's been in Asia as well. You know, Asia's been pushing really cleanly, and yeah, we've been at all-time highs, and we've just continued to push. But I've taken 25 ticks this week. Okay, but I'm happy with that because that's what gold's given me. Okay, like on a week where we push like 200 ticks or 300 ticks, I might catch a 100 or 200 tick week, but I've only caught like 25 ticks this week because that's what gold's given me, and I'm happy with that because I know that I've stuck to the plan. I know that I've taken every valid trade that there is, and the price action that gold's given me this week is for me to have 25 ticks. Yeah, we might have pushed 500 plus ticks to the upside, but not every, you know, like even today there's not been any entries because what have we, gold's just been pushing up without any ranges formed, and I need ranges. So yeah, gold's at all-time highs, and we've just been flying up, and that's not what my strategy needs. Our strategy works best when we pull back and range, and we have clear targets. Right now, or for the most of the day today, we've had no clear targets. So today and half of yesterday was a write-off for me personally. Okay. Or if you go over 1.5k on Top Step, you just have to make the profit. So if you make 1.7k on one day, you just have to make $200 plus more. Okay. Yo, Joe, how's it going, mate? Yo, bro, long time. How's it going, man? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Yeah, just get to the 3K, but don't do more than 1.5K in the day. Then you're sorted, bro. This is my first unprofitable week in so many months. Hopefully, I could grab a small trade, make it back, but won't be mad if I don't. 100% a reach. Just like I've already mentioned, be happy with what the market gives you. Like, Monday, for me, was a nice trading week, and for the community. Monday and Tuesday was insane for me and the community. Like, not for, well, I won't say it were insane for me, like 25 ticks, whatever. Like, it's not nothing insane, but for the community smashed it. But trading at all-time highs, you just got to sit back and let the gold do its thing. You know, like I've already mentioned, my strategy works best when I've got a clear range established. Not trading at all-time highs here. Not trading at all-time highs here all day like we have done. Seriously, guys, look. Since we jumped to the chart here, gold's not created a range since now. So the only time we should be looking at the chart since 7 o'clock in the last 5 hours, or last 6 hours almost, is now. So that tells you a lot. Like, normally we get so much action during the day, and that's why we do have these 300, 400 tick weeks. But this week it's been like 25 ticks for me. That's just for me though. Community members have been smashing it, like thousands of, it's in thousands this week. But yeah, good stuff, guys. There's a 1 minute range, bro. Yeah, I don't trade the 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute's not for me at all. That's disgusting. I trade the 5 minute is I don't even trade the 5 minute for my main entries. I own a 15, 5 minutes just for confirmation entries. Yeah, if this 15 actually wicked these highs a bit more, I'd be interested in this sell, because I do think gold's gonna come and fill this range now. Gold will probably come down and fill the low of this range. It's rejected. The only problem is you've got liquidity above. If I was going to sell, it'd be on the flip of that. Stopped on the liquidity grab high, trying to fill this range to the downside. But now you've taken the lows, you could reverse a little bit. One sec, guys. Let me just get my charger. Right, we're back. Oh yeah, I'm not in this, by the way, guys. I don't want people to think I'm in this. I'm not trading. Like I've already mentioned at the start of the YouTube, I'm not trading the range, especially with news. Imagine, seriously, guys, you've got news in how long? We've got news in 30 minutes. If you try trading within this range in the next 30 minutes, say for example, you do enter these half risk shorts. Gold could literally do this up to news and then just swipe you out. You know, you've literally made no profit. It's just float around break even for 30 minutes to then take you out. But all good. If we get a valid entry, we'll take it. Yeah, let's see what Goldie wants to do, guys. Yeah, you're probably gonna come maybe and fill this range here for like 20 ticks, but it's not a trade I'm taking. Yo, how's it going, bro? Welcome. Yeah, welcome, guys. Welcome. Nice one for the likes too. 12 likes, smash. We've got 30 here, guys. If you've just joined, subscribe, drop a like. And if you are new, let's see, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. 30 here, consistently getting 30 as well, nice. Shows that we're doing something right. It's good to see, guys, nice one. I appreciate everyone for tuning in daily as well. It's good to see, good to see. Yeah, nice one for the likes, guys. I appreciate everyone here tuning in, liking. Learning, getting the 2 hours in a day, even if it is just for that 2 hours that you sit down, ask questions, it's a lot better. You know, if you do that every day for the year, you'll definitely see the difference. It's Just consistency, guys. Seriously, stick to it. Consistency. You might think like you might be at a point in your journey as well where you're thinking, oh, trading's super difficult. Yeah, but everybody gets to that. Like even me, like 3 to 4 years down the line, I'm like, is this ever gonna work? And then it does. It just flicks. You just got to keep going, stay consistent, turn up every single day, and you'll get there. You'll get there. Yeah, I'm really interested in gold. If we can get back above this rejection area now, I think it's all-time highs for gold again. I'm just gonna post in the community really quickly, just the updated version because we are still ranging. Still got this range on gold. Yeah, I think what you tend to see on gold as well is when you reject a level. Let me show you something that you notice as well. When you reject a level multiple times like so, you tend, when you get back above it, and I'm going to tell you the reason why, that when you reject a level on gold like this, like you have done 2-3 times, if gold closes above this level like so, anybody who's shorting this level, for example, retail traders shorting this level here with the stops on the highs, like here, for example, you get the huge push to the upside because they're getting stopped out and they're closing their sell orders. Okay, so when you do get rejections like this at a level, it's good. You're building the volume. You're building orders at either side. So when you do close above and you do get that execution, you get that big push into your liquidity target. So it is good to see when you see like a nice range form with a lot of price action, like we're seeing now. Yeah, this is looking decent. Let's see gold. Right, guys, let's do a poll. Let's do a news poll. News. Guys, bullish or bearish on news? Let me do the. I'll put bull and then bear. Okay, let me tell you. Let's see what you think news is gonna do. Are you bullish or bearish? US ADP news yet? 25-minute. I know, mate. Yeah. Cheers for letting us know, though, bro. Appreciate that. See how this 15 closes, guys. If this 15 gets back above, I'll still long, you know. I'll try and get a decent position before news. Because I think news could come and swipe these highs here. Yeah, I personally think news is going to continue gold higher. I don't know. I just think it's too... I don't know, it's just very bullish, isn't it? Go trade with the trend. But yeah, I do really, like, if this 15 can get back above this level now, then perfect. How long? Just need to wait 8 minutes, guys, because we have taken liquidity. The only thing we need to do now is get back above this level. Get back above this level, and then into them highs. You've got a decent 55 ticks there. So sit on your hands, wait 8 minutes. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. Well, the hourly close too. And then we can actually get a decent entry on gold here. All right. Fellow Joe, any unfunded? Take it slow. Use correct risk management. Joe, are you using what funded account are you using, mate? And have you got a strategy? Have you got a plan? Have you got a plan and a strategy to execute? Do you know exactly where you need to enter? Do you know exactly where you need to get out of the trade? Valid stop loss position. These are the questions you need to be asking. Yeah, I think we're bullish. Good. Yeah, I think so too, man. I think these all-time highs might get taken again on news, but all I'm going to do is react. I'm not doing anything now until we get back above here. It's all about waiting, guys. I'm using Maven. Yeah, I've heard they're good, actually. I've heard they're good. Maven, what are the prices like, though? Let's have a look. Are the prices quite high? Let's have a look, guys. Maiden trading, that's it. Oh, I can't get on it without my thing. One sec. I'll look on my phone. Let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look together. Maven trading. We have unique 1-step, 2-step. Choose your challenge. Let's see, 100k is the basic for everyone, innit? I want a... The industry's best price? 100k. Oh, $440 refundable. C Trader too, not bad. 8.5. Is there any hidden drawdown rules with it? Static drawdown. It's actually quite a decent price, to be honest. It's not a bad price at all, but it is FX. End of the day, it's an FX. I'm using Maven prop firm. Patience pays is my motto. Yeah, I use patience pays as well. Patience pays is very, very good. It's key. Patience is key. Like 1 to 2 trades per day, 2 to 3 trades per day. My average is like 1 to 2, 1.5 trades, 1 or 2 trades per day. 8 votes. Everyone's thinking bullish. Nice, guys. I'm thinking bullish too, by the way. Yeah, I'm thinking bullish too. Yeah, that's quite reasonable. That I know I'm not. Top Step's so much cheaper, and I shouldn't be saying that it's reasonable. Like $440 for a 100k account. What Top Step's like 100, like a quarter of the price. But there are some different rules in terms of drawdown and stuff. So don't think it's all sunshine and rainbows with Top Step. Like, yeah, it's cheaper, but there is some different rules. I just like futures, guys. I don't know. I just like I get paid out. Like I'd rather have the drawdown where it comes to 0 and actually get paid, you know. There's been so many times where I haven't been paid by different brokers, different prop firms, and I just had enough of it. Like 2 years ago, stopped trading prop firms, went to personal, and then Top Step had literally Top Step and FTMO are the only and Alpha, Top Step, Alpha, and FTMO are the only prop firms that I'd ever use now. Ty, a broker to get funded. Do you mean funded or broker for personal account? Because a funding company isn't a broker. Some do have their own. Some do have their own. Like FTMO has just bought. FTMO have just bought a Wanda. So yeah, you could say they are, but most of them use like. One sec, guys. I did read that correctly. Yeah, FTMO bought a Wanda. I saw that today. But in terms, if you are you thinking about personal, are you on about funding challenges, Ty? What is it? In terms of funding, just stick to the ones with the best reviews. We went over this the other day. That Maven looks decent. I haven't looked at the reviews. Let me have a look at the reviews. Maven trading, Trustpilot. 4.7, good. Yeah, good. That's something you need to look at. 4.7 stars is great. Top Step like 4.72, I think. Yeah, FTMO are the best. There's nothing wrong with FTMO at all. FTMO great. Yeah, funding challenge. Guys, I don't know how quick FX prop firms are. Like, I used to have to request my payout on Friday, and I couldn't trade until like Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. And it's just horrible. Like, yeah, I used to I used to have to wait, like, you used to have to wait. If you've got two FX funding accounts, great. You can request one, trade the other. Request the other, trade the other, like, in turn. But I used to, like, have 2 or 3 days write-off at sometimes because you were waiting. With Top Step, I requested it on Sunday, and I got it... When did I get it? I got it, like, Tuesday? Yeah, I got it Tuesday. Or this morning. Or last night, sorry. Joe's personality is so welcoming, to be honest. Nice one, Joe. Fellow Joe. Welcome to the stream, guys. Nice one. Appreciate that. Yeah, appreciate that, man. Kind words. But yeah, I'd say FTMO Top Step. Futures Top Step 100%. There is other futures prop firms, but Top Step have the best rules, best payout for sure. I wouldn't really go any other futures prop firm other than Top Step. In terms of Forex, FTMO, Alpha maybe, even though I've heard some dodgy stuff with them. They've only got 4.4 stars on Trustpilot. FTMO got like 4.8. Maven, they look good, 4.7. Right, let's watch this 15, guys. Eyes on this 15. This 15 can get back above in 40 seconds somehow. If it can somehow get back above. I don't see it doing it. How many ticks? If it can do 15 ticks in 30 seconds, we're good for a long here. But I'm not longing right now if it wick rejects this level, because this could just be a wick rejection like we got here to the left to continue down. And we don't want to get trapped in that. Realistically, you want to clear these wicks here to the left. Who's your football greatest of all time? Peter Crouch. No, I'm joking. Yeah, this isn't strong enough for me yet, guys. I'll just wait for the next 15. Or next 5 if it confirms. Because we have actually closed above, but we've just wick reject them. Probably could push up a little bit. Messi, I'd say. What about you, mate? Mine's probably Messi. I used to love watching. Did it close above? One sec, guys. I mean, yeah, it did close above the level. It has taken liquidity. If you do flip bullish here, you know, into them highs, you've only got 5 ticks. It's nothing too substantial, and the hourly has just closed, rejecting. I'm gonna just see how it reacts here, you know, because you have got news in 15 minutes. But yeah, in terms of CR7 for me, nice Joe. It's a big one, innit? It's a big debate. Guys, let's do it. Let's do the poll for Messi or yeah, let's do it, right? Let's see. We're doing a poll, guys. I'm not. Oh, it won't let me. Oh, I need to end this one first. One sec. Let me end this poll. We're doing another one, guys. So right, we've got news in 15 minutes. Everyone's bullish on news. I'm bullish too, but let's see. Let's do another poll here. Right, football goal. Greatest of all time. Okay, I'm gonna put Messi, CR7, and then I'll put other for anybody who's other. Okay, let's go, guys. Obviously, it's the biggest debate. Messi all day. I think Messi as well, guys. But like I say, they've both got. They're both insane. Oh my god, 60% Messi. 50-50. Let's see, guys. Maven the owner trades live on YouTube. You can ask any questions. Yeah, that's good, Tim. Yeah, man, that's good. CR7, 60%. I did not expect that. Wow, guys. Yeah, that's good. That's a good guys. When you're looking for a mentor as well, I don't tell it. Like I say, if you're looking for a mentor and they speak all this game about, oh, join my community, my strategy is so good, and they don't trade live, then just run. like, if they're showing you a strategy and they don't trade live with it and show you that they're profitable with it, like I show you here, I've showed you many trades here. Look, how many trades have we brought down on live? 30 odd trades on live, 78% win rate. I've proven my strategy in front of you here over the last few months. That's what you need to look for as well. Like, that's good. If he's a prop firm owner and he's on YouTube answering questions, that speaks volumes for me. Top Step are the same. Top Step do lives on YouTube too, which is great. Callum, CR7. 50-50, guys. 12 votes. 50-50. Someone has to vote against us. Come on. Let's see. Let's end this debate here. To be honest, they're both GOATs, to be honest. They're both the best in the world, but, well, was. But I just think Messi has it. Yeah, Messi was way... I think Messi was way better to watch. Like, dribbling, finishing. But everyone's got their own opinion on that. Sui, basketball goal. I'm not really a fan of basketball, to be honest. Like, I've never really been into it. I've never really watched it. What about you? Who's your basketball greatest? Bernick. Sui. Messi is too short, bro. Yeah, but he used to dance around everyone. Watching Messi, I'm sorry guys, I don't mean to go on about it, but watching Messi was way better than watching Ronaldo. Way better. Like, insane. Kobe. Yeah. I'll go with that. I'll accept that. Kobe. I'm not a basketball fan, but it's about right. But yeah, nice. Zidane was amazing too, yeah. Insane. I used to love watching David Silva, me. Yeah, David Silva. When he used to have his, like, no, when he used to have his, like, proper long hair. I used to love watching David Silva. What am I drinking? This is mint tea, mate. Mint tea. But I've just put cold water in now. It was hot. Now it's cold. It's good. If we get a rejection here, no problem. The level just goes a little bit higher. I'm actually liking buys back above this level anyway. Yeah, buys back above 2870. Key level 2 on gold, so all good. You're expected to range after a pullback at all-time highs anyway. It just, if you backtest it, you'll see it all the time. Like, look, one sec. You smash all-time highs, look, you range. You smash all-time highs, you range. You smash all-time highs, you pull back, range, continue higher. It's the same always. But wow, look at Goldie here. Yeah, if this next 15 pushes, I know it's on news, but we'll see what the news does. Hopefully the news doesn't do much to ruin everything. Thought it was whiskey. Over Christmas it was, mate. MJ's the basketball GOAT. Yeah, I don't really know too much about basketball, so I can't really have an opinion on that. Cole Palmer, yeah, insane. Insane. Like I say, being in Asia as well, I've not been in touch too much with football, but I do watch highlights now and again, over the weekend. Thought it was whiskey. It looks a bit like it. It looks a bit suspect, doesn't it, guys? It is definitely mint tea, though. It is mint tea. Kobe's my GOAT. Bernick, nice. Yeah, I'd like a closure above here. Yeah, but I'm home in 2 weeks, guys. Back in the UK in 2 weeks, so back to normal. So obviously, London session. What will it be? I'll probably start London sessions at 7:30 there. I have to get up early. I'll have to start getting up early again. Because London session here, guys, if I do London session in Asia, it's like 12:30, 1 p.m. Right now it's 8 p.m. Look at the rejection here, guys. Anybody buying gold? Seriously, anybody buying gold too early here? Look, big drawdown. That's why you wait. Seriously, that's why I said we're waiting. We've literally taken liquidity at all these highs, and we're continuing down now. Yeah, big rejection there. Ethan Marini is a baller. Oh, for Arsenal skate, I think. Yeah, Arsenal. Didn't see the tea bag in there. Yeah, guys, it is tea. It does look like whiskey. It is a tea. It is mint tea. Have you ever been in Old Trafford? Yes, I have, Joe. I've been to Old Trafford a couple of times. When I was younger, like young playing football, I was a Manchester United fan. Now, I don't really follow football too much. I just like to watch it, Prem highlights. Yeah, the Arsenal kid's some talent. Yeah, yeah, I've seen him. Joe, I'm in Vietnam, mate. I've been in Vietnam for about 2.5 months now. 2 weeks, I'm leaving. Yeah, I'm on my travel trader setup, guys. If you've not, guys, watch the vlogs. Let me link some vlogs that I've done. I've got another vlog coming out tomorrow or Friday too, so watch out for that, guys. But if you've not watched the first travel trading vlog, let me try find it and post it in here if I can. Not this one. It was, how long ago? Like 2 weeks ago I posted it, 3 weeks maybe. Jeez, I've posted so many videos in the community since. That's crazy. There. Yeah, it's not, I wouldn't say it's a big day in the life. The next day in the life that I'm doing, guys, is a lot bigger. Like a lot more me. This day in the life that I did, the first one that I did was just like getting used to everything. The next one will be much better. There you go. I'll post it in there so you can click, watch it. There you go. I want to visit Japan. Nice, me too. Japan looks good. Shibuya. Shibuya, let me have a look. Shibuya. If I'm saying that right. Oh yeah, the crossing, I've seen that. There's like, it's similar to Ho Chi Minh. If you type in Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam crossing, very, very similar to that, like with the Starbucks and the cafe. Yeah. Wow, it looks so much, like basically the same. Ho Chi Minh Crossing Road, yeah. Obviously, the one in Japan looks a lot newer and cleaner. Yeah, it does. Joe, what broke? I personally not gonna. I'm focusing on getting my prop firms to 30 days. Currently at like 13 or 14 200 days right now. So it's probably gonna take me another 2 or 3 weeks to get them to 30 days. But I'll bring my personal back into it, and when I do when I put my money back into my personal, it'll probably be Vantage. Yeah, it'll probably be Vantage. Either them or Blueberry Markets. They're both good, y'all. Like I say, I was looking at futures personal, but I do like FX personals too. But yeah, I use Blueberry Markets are good. You know, you've got loads. Your IC Markets. There's a lot of good ones. A lot of good ones. Just use a regulated one. Make sure it's regulated. Don't use any of these Hugo's way that everyone used to use back in the day. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, let's have a look at that. I need to end the poll. Who's the greatest? Messi's the greatest, guys. I'm sorry. I apologise to all you CR7 lovers. Messi is the GOAT. It's final. Yeah, everyone was waiting for a poll on Joe Trade's live stream. So yeah, this is the actual final result for everyone to know. Just thought I'd do it now today. Mm-mm. 3 minutes, guys. Yeah, 3 minutes. Let's see. Mm. Three minutes. Yeah, I've got minute 15 till news. Let's see. I'd like to get back above here. What about best club in the world? Don't know. Who do you think? Do you mean right now or of all time, Joe? News in 30 seconds, guys. Be careful. Like I say, we've got 2 high impacts, so you're probably going to see the next set of news be more impactful than this, but... Do you mean right now, Joe? Do you mean of all time? Let's see what news does here, 15 seconds. Maybe like Real Madrid? Real Madrid, United, City, something like that. Or is it going to be this news? Ooh. Yeah, Real Madrid. I thought that. Real Madrid richest as well, I think. At some point they were the richest. I don't know who is now. Yeah, Madrid, I'd say. Definitely Madrid. Got to be Madrid. I'd agree with that. United, yeah, United. It's a good one. Where's the direction going to go? It's undecided, this news. Yeah, you'd think it's pushed down, guys, but this could easily just spike back up. It's not really a big push yet, like 15 ticks. Bam, ba-dam, ba-dam. Ooh, bearish. Yeah, probably the next news that does something. It's good for us. Doesn't ruin our session. But it's just about how long are we going to stick in this range for? That's the answer, isn't it? That's the question now. Like, it's all good having this decent push down and news not being too impactful, but how long are we going to stay within this range? Like, let's see. Yeah, if we get back above here now, that's perfect for longs. That's what I'd be looking for now. Yeah, guys, if this 15-minute candle can get back above this level here, perfect. How long? That's what I'm going to be looking for now. We've had this initial push down. If it flips back bullish now, perfect. Okay. Do I think it's going to flip bullish? Could potentially. If it does, then great. It's just about how many ticks till it flips bullish. 15. Yeah, news didn't really do too much there, guys. Like 15 to 20 ticks from a glance. Yeah, 25 ticks. Oh, guys, nice one for the likes. 17 likes. I appreciate it. Nice one, everyone. Guys, if you're not in the free Telegram too, make sure you get inside the free Telegram. I'll link the free Telegram in the chat now. Okay, free Telegram's in the chat. Make sure you join if you want to. You get all the updates for my YouTube videos, any Discord updates, and YouTube lives. Yeah, Telegram link, bro. It's there. I've just linked it twice in the chat, guys. It should be blue. The link should be blue anyway. It should show up blue in the Discord link. My Discord isn't free. The Discord community mentorship is actually £60. But the value there, you learn the full strategy. You've got the members chats, etc. You've got my daily videos on gold, what I'm seeing for the day, and I update gold all day too. It's not just one video for the day. No, I update the London session with a video. You've got the YouTube live, and I update in the gold chat every 30-40 minutes on what I'm seeing. But yeah, the Discord community mentorship. If anybody wants to join the Discord community, I will link it. Obviously, you'll learn the full strategy, members chats, members Zooms. Obviously, I'll do maybe like 3 to 4 members Zooms per week, and you can join with that link. The first link, free Telegram. Second link, members Discord mentorship. All right. But yeah, stuck in this range. How long are we going to stay in it? I don't know. Am I trading it? No. Just stay patient, guys. Let gold tell you it's ready to push in either direction. But it is pushing down here. No top wick on that 15. So we could be... I could be interested in sells here, but I'd need a closure below. We'd need the closure below. Right now we've got 8 minutes left. It's a long time to be even thinking about anything yet, guys. Just give it this 8 minutes. Let's see if we close below, then yeah, we can execute something. Bearish here. Yeah, a little bearish, guys. Don't get too excited and start looking for sells right now. We've got liquidity below. Yeah, you're right. And I'm only going to be looking for shorts if we close below here. Sort of this area here. Okay. 26.85. Yeah, you're right. There is a lot of liquidity below, but gold's bullish, and the only way I'd look to sell is if we get below here. Make it interesting, yeah. Let's make it interesting, guys. Let's get some sells for... Let's catch some sells down. What's the hourly saying? Yeah, hourly will be valid for sells. And the 30. 15 not so much, because it hasn't closed below yet. 28.63 for a bid. Why 28.63, mate? There's not much structure at 28.63. Something, and one thing that you've got, one bad thing about that too a bit as well is that if it does close below this level here, we can start selling, and at your level that you've got, like, it's like there's not much there. Not much structure there. If you had this to sell below, that makes more sense because you've got some structure, for example, resistance. But in terms of that being a level, there's not much. Like, if you've got any level from, like, here downwards, that's not bad. Maybe even here, these lows. It's good to see, though, what's the 5 minute saying here? Yeah, there's not much. It's literally been chopping about since we jumped on. Since I jumped on here, it's been a chop. We'll see though, guys. We could flip bullish any moment. Yo, Lufo, how's it going, mate? Welcome, bro. How are you? How's your week been so far, guys? Yeah, guys, how's everyone's week been as well? Well, so far, we're only halfway through the week, but drop a comment. Let me know how your week's been. Good, bad? I'm personally 2 trades in. Only 2 trades this week. I'm up for the week as well, so all good. No need to rush anything here. Otherwise, I'm looking at minute 5. Oh, I'm looking at the minute 5. Let's have a look at the minute 5. Ah, okay. Yeah, that makes more sense. You got a little bit of structure here. Okay, yeah. No worries, mate. Looking good. Yeah, it makes more sense that 5 minute. I don't find ranges on the 5 minute because the 15 and the 30 is way stronger. The move that you find on the 30 and the 15 range clauses are way more significant than 5 minute. But if you can catch the pips that you want on the 5, perfect. For example, if you've got like 1 or 2 hours per day to trade, you might want to jump onto 5 minute ranges because you know you're gonna find more trades on the 5 minute for sure. But yeah, good stuff. You need to remember as well, the market, all the time frames are all fractal. So if you have 1 to 2 hours of chart time and you just want to be on the chart for 2 hours, trade the 5 minute, trade the 15 minute, use 5 15 minute ranges. Perfect. I personally can set alerts and I've got more of a chilled out trading. You can still trade my style on the lower time frame. It's all fractal. I personally just set alerts. For example, I'd set alert here at 28.70. Been good, 1 trade, win 2%, nice. Good stuff I bid. Good work, man. Yeah, I actually just got my... One sec, guys. I will post that in the free Telegram now. If you're not in the free Telegram, make sure you get involved. I actually got my top step. I actually got my top step payout this morning, which was nice. It actually took longer than normal, but still quick. Still quicker than any other prop firm that I've personally had any dealings with. But yeah, let's see if we can catch some gold longs here, guys. Get back above that level. I'm longing. Did we take that liquidity there? Was that a liquidity grab? Let me see. Let me zoom in. Yeah, it was. We just look at that. Gold literally swept them lows. Took stops of anybody on these lows. And look at that. Continued higher. Because what you need to understand as well, guys, look. Something you need to understand with how gold works is it'll always, before any significant move, gold will always take lows or highs. And anybody, for example, look at this, big green candle to the upside. Retail traders are looking, oh, let's go long without waiting for a closure. And we're going to have stops on these lows because we rejected this level again. Well, they don't understand that gold needs to get back above this level of structure here. And it hasn't done that. And look what happened. We reacted from there. And bang, stop loss has been taken. Retailer bin stopped out now. What can we look for? Retailer bin stopped out. We can wait for a close back above this level, and we can take the stops of these highs here. Bang. But don't get me wrong, you could push down a little bit more, take more stops, then continue higher. We'll just have to see. Got to check out Top Step. Yeah, check them out, man. They are a futures prop firm. Their execution's a little bit different. Sometimes the charts are a little bit different, but there's ways to overcome it. There's definitely ways to overcome it. I just add a couple of ticks onto my stop loss or TP. No big deal. But yeah, guys, check them out if you want. Well explained, mate. I love it. Yeah, nice one, Lufo. I try to explain stuff as much as I can. Well, what I can explain on YouTube Live. Like I say, YouTube Live. I trade live with you, but you won't learn the full strategy that we do trade in the community. You know, that is for the community guys. But I will come on here, execute some positions, show some technical analysis. But yeah, price action on gold today. I'd love to have been involved in these longs here if we had clear targets, but there were just no targets to look to run price into. So that's one of them. Just gotta wait. 15 could be juicy. Yeah, it could be actually. Lufo, how's your account going now? How's your account going from the last time we talked? $30's just closed, respecting the level. Yeah, guys, I'm not entering this yet. Look at it. It's the same as what happened here. Respected the level, continue down. Respecting the level, we could continue higher. Can you see? Anybody, if you look to go long here before your closure, what could happen? Price could reverse. And that's what it did here. And look what's happening now. We respected the level. Until we get below here, we can't sell. You got your payment on Monday, nice. Been a good week. Took only one trade this week. Yeah, nice. Good stuff, mate. Got your payment on Monday, nice. Good to see, bro. Yeah, I'd be interested if this next 15/30 can get below here. Then I'd be looking to execute. Oh, look at the sell-off on gold here. Yeah, the next 15 will be for me, guys. The next 15. Yeah, if this 15 can get below, then yeah, I'm interested. You know, we need to get a closure though as well. I need to close below. Taking that, sweeping that liquidity there. Bang. Liquidity grab, closure below. Problem is though, we're just closing without any real higher time frame closure. Like, we closed below here. If this 30-minute here, if this 30-minute candle closed where we are now, current price, then yeah, I'd be looking for sells. But because we closed respecting taking liquidity and it could have continued higher, I'm not risking that. You got to understand when the market's ready. Wow, big sell-off now. Look at that. 1 5-minute candle, 30 ticks. There you go. There you go, Goldie. A little bit of a retracement. It's good to see. There's a lot of potential here, guys, in the next... How long will I be on? I'll probably stay on for another 20, 30 minutes. Probably, there's a lot of potential to try and catch a trade here, guys. If not, I'll just stay active in the gold chat, in the Discord community, and we'll try and catch something there. Trying to catch something in the community, but there's a lot of potential on gold on this next 15 closure. Look at that sell-off. Beast. Yeah, gold could pull back into some levels like here. Look, resistance could act as support. Gold sells, potentially. Bernick, yeah, I'm just going to wait. I'm waiting for this 5 minutes to close at least. Could potentially be on $300 up for the day. Nice, Rav. Well, 280. Good stuff, mate. 10% there, basically. Yeah, gold could pull back into some of these levels here. Let's have a look at BTC. What's Bitcoin doing? Nothing. Oh, wow. What a TP on... Look at that. This is where I took my TP, guys. Literally there. On that day. And since that day, bang. 50% down. Good TP. Anyway, let's have a look at gold. Ooh, big sell-off. Yeah, it's coming into these levels now. Yeah, look at the sell-off on gold here. That 5 minute actually did confirm, but nah. I need to wait for this 15 to close, guys. When this 15 closes, then we're open, okay? I feel if it closed beyond wick, I'm going to sell. Yeah, potentially. I'm not selling here. I'm going to wait for this 30, 15 to close. Maybe even the hourly. But we'll see. I think we can definitely, you know, you can definitely see some lower prices down here on gold. I'd like for it to close here on the 15 and then just confirm for sells. You know, there's not much liquidity to look to run into. You'd be managing at these levels anyway. That's the only problem. You'd be managing at these lows. The actual TP on gold would be these lows here. If you did catch it. See, look at gold now. Instantly reversing a little bit. So we'll see. Yeah, you'd be managing. If you did take sells here, you'd be managing. You'd be managing at like 40 ticks anyway. You'd definitely be taking partial anyway. Ooh, this 15 could be very interesting for some longs if it gets back above half risk anyway. I'll be definitely looking for that. There's a lot of potential here, guys. News was good for the dollar. Yeah. Good for the dollar. Bad for gold. What's the US dollar saying nowadays? I used to look at the US dollar on the daily. Ooh. A little bit of a sell-off. Dollar basket. Let's have a look at gold here. Come on, Goldie. I'll give you this 15-minute closure. See what you're going to do for us. What's he going to do for us here? What's this 5 going to do? Ugh. Breaking below. It's broke out nicely. Don't get me wrong. Gold broke out nice to the downside. But the problem where it didn't close below my level, so I couldn't execute the short. It is what it is. I just need to wait for this closure here. Because you might think it's bearish and it's going to continue lower, but gold could just wick reject this level. And like it is now, look, it's rejecting now. This could close bullish like this. And then you'd be regretting trying to sell without waiting for the close. So always wait for the closure. Burn it. What did I do before trading? I was an engineer. Yeah, I did an engineering apprenticeship, but I hated it. I wasn't... I really, really hated it. I did it because of the money, because I needed the money, obviously, but I didn't like it at all. I really, really did hate it. What's everyone else do here? If I was ever going to do a job whilst trading, if I were ever going to do a job whilst trading, I'd find something that, you know, I could do that could work around trading maybe. If I was to do the process again, it was hard sometimes to trade. With the strategy that I've got now, I could easily do it. I could easily work a job and trade, because all I'd do is set alert here, set an alert here. But when I was learning and I was working at the same time, I don't know, being the new trader, I just thought looking at the market all the time or trying to be on the market as much as I could would help, but it really has the negative effect too. Like I say, guys, it's not all, like, if you work a full-time job, like, yeah, you see me trading the 15-minute here. Don't need to. Like, when you work in your job, if you want to trade this strategy, you can just use the 30-minute and the hourly, and then when you get home, and you've got that time on the chart when you get home or before work, you can use the same time frames that we use. You don't always have to be using the same time frames that I use. Okay. Bernick, what strategy are you using right now, mate? And that's the thing with me as well. Like, for so long, I just did the wrong things. A lot of people are in that position now. A lot of people are trying to become profitable, but they're putting their efforts and they're putting all their energy in the wrong places. And I tell people so many times, I'll ask people, oh, what strategy do you use? And they'll be like, oh, I've been trying to use this 15 indicator strategy. I've been trying to use this AI bot. I've been trying to use this 7 confluence strategy. And I've been trying to do it for the last 4 years and it's just not working. I'm like, well, you've been doing it for the last 4 years. What's that telling you? You're doing the wrong things. It's telling you you're doing the wrong things and you're putting your energy and your time into the wrong, you're looking at the wrong things. Keep it simple. Trade pure price action. Make your charts clean. And that will help so much. I'm in security, so chill and can do whatever. Yeah, good Abid. Nice. Fair value gap got respected. Yeah, guys, I don't trade fair value gaps. That's another thing. It's a load of noise. If you trade SMC and it works for you and you're profitable, great stuff. But if you're not profitable, which 90% of the SMC traders aren't, like, yeah, it's over analysis paralysis. It's just not needed. Like, yeah, you've got a order block, turtle soup, whatever you call here, but it's not a fair value gap. It's just a level. Look, look, look. Resistance, acting as support. It's not anything special. It's overanalyzed, and they have these fancy names on these they have the fancy names on these concepts, and it's just not needed. Sorry, guys. I just need to. I need to be honest with everybody. Yeah, for some people it will work, but a lot of traders can't look at the chart and have a look at like 10, 15 drawings. It's too much. And seriously, if you're in a position where you're finding everything just too much and you're looking at the chart and you've got like 10 drawings, 5 indicators, for 95% of people, that's way too many things going on. Oh, look at this 5-minute here. What you tend to find as well, guys, a lot of people, like, you're 100% right, mate. Less is more in trading. The simpler you can keep your technicals, the more simple that you can keep your trading, the better your execution is going to be. And in trading, less emotions and the best possible execution is all you need. Seriously, if you've got so many things going on, your head's not going to be in the right space. What's this 15? 15's about to close bearish here. But yeah, anybody who says, oh, this order block or this fair value gap, whatever, it's just a big level. Like, they put fancy names on stuff so they can sell courses. It's all it were ever designed for. 800, nice. Good stuff, Rav. Boom, yeah, boom. Good stuff, man. That's it. Almost a third there, or a quarter of the way there. Good to see, bro. Yeah, what's the Owlie saying here? Bearish. Yeah, Owlie's looking clean if we can close bearish. Ugh. But guys, seriously, if you're at a place in your trading and you're profitable with whatever system, I don't have a go with any system, but what I say is most traders who trade all these order blocks, fair value gaps, who come to me into my community, understand how better it is to have a more simple strategy. And I've seen it. It's for a lot of people, it's over analysis paralysis, and they just can't cope with it. Trading doesn't have to be so. Trading's the psychology, and making money in trading is hard enough. Trying to have a system that's super difficult is going to make it worse. Yeah, $877, Rav, on a 50k account. Nice. You're almost, what's that? Almost 2% on a 6% target. It's good, mate. Nothing wrong with that at all. Yeah, but guys, I'm gonna head off in a minute. If you're students, yeah, still new to it. That's good though. Good stuff. Got a decent level here too that price is reacting from. Go on the 5, you'll see it a bit more clear. Look, yeah, resistance, support there. Look, resistance, support, resistance, acting as support. Nothing crazy. What did you take? Did you just sell, Rav? Did you just sell? Yeah, I don't know. What Goldie wants to do today? Probably just wait for that new range or sell down into these lows. Yeah, I'm gonna update everybody really quickly. I'm gonna update everybody now, and I'm gonna head off. Yeah, you caught the sell, nice. If this closed more bearish, I'd be in the sell here. If we close more bearish, I'd be in this sell 60 ticks, but just didn't close bearish enough, unfortunately. Only thing I can do really now is wait for the hourly to close in 10 minutes. Sell the next hourly candle. It'll also be the 4-hourly close too, which is nice. But let me tell you something, guys. Let me tell you something. We've got liquidity out here, okay? Price should come and fill that liquidity. Should. Can't keep going up, potentially. I don't know. Like I say, I don't have too much attachment to what the chart's doing. I just trade what it shows me. If you keep saying it can't go up, you sell. It can't, and then price does this, and then it can't go up, you sell. And then you say it keeps going up, and you're saying, oh, it can't go up anymore, sell. And then it can't go up anymore, sell. Like, you're in all this drawdown because you've got all this emotion about it not being able to go up anymore. You know? I never say anything like that. I never say anything to do with it can't do this, it can't do that. Gold does what it wants. Gold doesn't care about what you think. I react to what it shows me. And when you start reacting instead of predicting, it'll literally change your trading so much. But yeah, guys, I'm going to head off anyway. I'm going to update everybody really quickly. We've got this liquidity here to sell into. So I'm going to be looking for sells into this liquidity, okay? So for me, sells into this liquidity is what I'm going to be looking for. YouTube fam who are in the Discord, see you tomorrow for the YouTube live. But Discord community, let's try and catch these shorts down into these lows, okay? I'll be active in the next 5 minutes in the Discord, okay, guys? But yeah, guys, I'll head off. Thanks for everyone for tuning in. All 30 of you. I appreciate it. But yeah, Discord, I'll update you as soon as I come off here in a minute. And YouTube, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Let's trade safe in a bit. Peace.